pipe.
Flush gas going from the appliance out.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, and safe venting enthusiasts the world over, welcome to booth 7461 here at the AHR show in Orlando, Florida. This is our shit right here. It's very, very green. We've got some new products. We've got the podcasting side over here, the beautiful mechanical room. We've had a cavalcade of stars come through here. We had Mike Mayberry post podcasting, HVAC Tactical, and I mean, Jay Field. I mean, you name it. We had everybody in here. And of course, on this side is maybe a little bit less interesting to, some folks, but this is where the products are. Pretty important stuff too. Very large pipes. And, we were showing off common vent systems here with the beautiful green LEDs. We've got 6-inch flex. We've got the something kit. There's some condensate neutralizers over there. I'm not gonna try to wade through this sea of humanity, but the booth's pretty packed out. We've had a great show so far. If you haven't been, you should try to come to AHR. It's always bustling. There's always new products to see. It's a good time to walk the show, network with people, make new friends, keep the old, That's it. We'll see you at booth 7461.
I feel my sorrows fading away. I close my eyes to see the light that's shining deep inside me. I just can't sleep, get lost in these moments. Can't press repeat, gotta freeze it and hold it. I'm in too deep, as deep as the ocean. No, I just can't sleep, 'cause I'm lost in these moments.
Accomplish what we need to accomplish without the best rep network in the industry. And I mean that from the heart. I say that every time we get together. You guys, all of you, are the best of the best. I would stack up any and all other manufacturers, bigger manufacturers than Centrotherm with our rep network. We have top tier reps. And we can't accomplish what we need to do without them.
On his arm, there's a guy in New England literally wearing the logo on his arm. There's the photo of it right there. So the branding stuff is pretty out there, and hopefully you're feeling that excitement and that engagement and shorten these conversations for all of you guys.
Congratulations to past and future winners.
Tim Morales, come back. No. Okay. You won last year, Tim. Come on.
One criteria we have, you can't even win 2 years in a row. Spending too much time in Centrotherm. They remember that they don't. So with that said, this is one for Sarah, who is not here. If you can take that back. This is one for Mr. Clayton. And this is one for my countryman, Mr. Stratt.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
last couple days, and as an agency of 40 years next year, Strat's done an incredible job, and we all just kind of strive to continue to kind of push this thing forward, just like every one of you guys in the room. But one thing I will say is, our tagline there, partners in success, like this doesn't happen without manufacturers like you guys. Going into 3 years of working with Centrotherm, it's felt like a lifetime. Dan, you've become a friend. It's been an absolute pleasure. I honestly, I said to Matt, it was kind of weird. We were in the bathroom together when we were talking about it. You meet such good people, and it happens sporadically throughout the course of the year, or even the course of a bunch of years. And how do you stay in touch? How do you manage all these friendships? And truly, these friendships and these partnerships is what makes all this work. And we're proud to work with the Centrotherm family, and this honestly isn't possible without you guys as a manufacturer. So we're proud to be a part of it. Thank you guys.
Can we do a picture with